Oh my gosh, wow, camera. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Starting this off with an unboxing. I was already going to vlog this once I got this, and it came like a day or two early. So you guys get to see what it is. I'm not gonna tell you. And it came in the original box. Oh, I should like, oh, wow. MacBook Air, backed by a 90-day warranty. Okay. It's not wrapped, which is fine. But, okay, this looks pristine. I want to, how do I get this out? And this box is really heavy. But I'm glad it came in the original box. I cannot believe this is real. I actually have this. I'm assuming it didn't come. Oh, it did still come with stickers, space gray stickers. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So it's the next day editing. I still have the gray apple stickers. I've never gotten gray apple stickers, but even though I'm used to the white ones, I'm still very excited for like every apple sticker there is. This is real. This is my new laptop. I see no scratches. Open it up. The sound, and it's so smooth opening. Okay, so update. It had its own update, and it's doing its thing. I actually prefer my old laptop keyboard, although I would say that this one is pretty similar. Downloaded a Luma Fusion to try editing on it. It works, but except for like keyboard shortcuts, so I don't think Command B works to cut. Even the space bar doesn't work for like play and pause, so I have to like press the pause button. Battery life, I got it I think when it was at 73. It's currently at 93, as you can see, and it works. The battery life is really good. I've been using it basically non-stop since I got it, and my laptop, my old one, probably would have died by now, and this hasn't, so it's cool. This I think is 12-inch screen. This is 13.3, and the new one, oh wow, that's actually a big difference. Like the new one is so much smaller. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's definitely thinner too. Definitely thinner. I don't remember if I talked about why I decided to get this. I don't know if I talked about that when I was unboxing it, but I probably was rambling all over the place, so I'm just gonna say it again. One, there's nothing wrong with my old laptop. I frankly just said, hey, I have the money. I've always wanted a MacBook, and this refurbished one is like $200 off what a new one is. Why don't I get it? And so I got it. Okay, editing me again. I just wanted to say I think I talk too casually about spending like $800 on a laptop. I think I definitely should have put more thought into it, even though I'm very happy with my purchase. I just think that everyone should be more cautious about spending this amount of money, because I literally, like, I bought it online while eating dinner, and I think that's such a spontaneous thing to do. I didn't even think about it at the time, but now that I am thinking about it, I just think that I should have put more thought into it, even though I like that, you know, I made the decision. I just think in the future, whenever I'm spending, you know, like hundreds of dollars, I definitely should think more about it. But, I mean, it's not like I spend all my money. Like, I still have some. So, I say if you can afford it, just think about it more. Yeah, that's my advice. I changed the background into a picture that I've taken. I've been changing the background a lot to some of the, like, Apple ones. This is, like, the built-in one that it first comes with. It's pretty decent. I really like this one because it's, like, blue. Hopefully you can see that. Super thin, great speakers. I'm getting more used to the keyboard. Yesterday, I think in one of the clips, I said that I preferred my old laptop keyboard. I'm now getting used to this one. Trackpad, So smooth, amazing. I actually kind of prefer the trackpad to the Apple Magic Mouse, which is very, very cool. Same with the keyboard. I prefer it to my Logitech one. There was an update for Luma Fusion in April that allowed Mac M1 users to use keyboard shortcuts, and for some reason that update didn't download yesterday, but this morning when I checked updates in the App Store, the update was there, and now every keyboard shortcut is working for me. Space is actually working for playback now. Finally. I don't know why it wasn't already, but I'm glad that they had an update already to fix that, because I don't have the money for Final Cut Pro right now, but what I do, trust me, I'm getting on that because I love Final Cut. When I had a class last year, sophomore year, in school that used Final Cut Pro 10 on M1 iMacs, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, tracking capabilities. I have really nothing else to say other than I love this laptop. Can't wait to keep using it and, you know, just keep it with me for a while. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like on this video if you like it. Don't if you didn't like it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.